Before building your dream home, make sure you avoid these costly mistakes first. Hi, I'm Jera and I'm your Provinciano Arquitecto, and I'm positive in turning visions into spaces with purpose. Number 1, hiding without proper planning. Many homeowners rush into construction without complete plans or professionals. Madalas walang professional consultation. Kaya na ni foreman at mason yung trabaho, most especially dito sa Linang at hindi na masyadong available ang professionals. They'd rather build on their own. And that usually leads into revisions, delays, and unnecessary expenses. Number 2, ignoring light and ventilation. A beautiful house should also feel comfortable, breathable, and energy efficient. A good design is not just the aesthetics. Number 3, skipping permits. Securing permits protects your investment and prevents from future legal problems. Number 4, no soil testing. The strength of your future starts from the ground it stands on. Number 5, unrealistic budgeting. A realistic budget avoid delays, compromises, and unfinished projects. Building a home is one of the biggest investments in a family can make. So plan wisely, build responsibly, and always work with the right professionals. Hi, I'm Jera. I'm passionate and positive in turning visions into spaces with purpose. If you like this video, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Yun lang, paalam, God bless.